Well, Bitcoin with a fake rally yesterday leading to a pretty real rollover. So let's get to the charts, kind of see the damage that was done and how it did kind of kill the market a little bit more than it was already kind of killed, at least in my opinion. So let's get to the charts and stay tuned for our hot coins of the day. All right, so BTC yesterday we talked about, and in the middle of this rally candle, actually talked about this rally candle with the market looking like this. Exceptional volume on that one, and holding tight would be good, rallying would be better, and then we ended up with this candle, which was good. That was a good candle, kind of trying to go in that upward direction. No problems with that one. This one, no problems with that one. You're getting up there, you're holding higher, you're expecting to move up, and then you get that one, which in a nutshell kind of murders the whole thing. Takes out the entirety of that large volume candle with even larger volume from above it to below it, and then from there you get chop. Are you surprised at chop after that? I'm not either. So there we go. We're back to chop essentially. We haven't fully broken the trend, but did definitely kill what could have been a good rally, and that would have been a good opportunity to rally. So we didn't do it, which means we're likely to not rally. Anything's possible, but at this point in time, I would think it's rather unlikely. And that's going to scare a lot of people away. And, I went through all the charts this morning, and it looks like it did. It scared quite a few people away. There's a few coins that are still looking okay, but for the most part, everything has turned back to random chop, living lower as we did before the pop yesterday. And that's really all she wrote. So I don't think you're going to find a lot of great trading opportunities. You're going to find a few spots here and there where you're going to get some big drops, and the pops are going to be very random. The drops would be a little bit easier to contend with, but if we get more and more big drops, then we're leaning back into possibly going back into a correction or bear market. So from that perspective, pick your poison on what you want to do, because it's going to get more tricky. Trading isn't the same all the time. Okay, there's times when it's great and easy, and times when the market is going in your favor, and times when reading the charts works really well. And then there's other times where it's more tricky, where if you try positions and you get hurt, how many times are you going to try? These are choices you have to make, when you're trading. And so if you get hurt too many times, in my opinion, just stop trading. Something is wrong, likely with you or me, but something's wrong, and we need to stop and reassess to protect that capital. I think we're in that environment again. If we rebound, there's opportunities to get in. You can say, oh, it came up, came back down, I should have bought. Well, it's very hard to do and hold with good conscience. Okay, let's get to the hot coins of the day. So these are to the downside since the market kind of flipped on us yesterday. And we're going with Pepe and ICP. Those are your two top 50 tokens that are the most volatile. And they're not really that volatile. So once again, pointing to going to be hard to make really good money trading at the moment. So Pepe here, finding actually rallied back up. Let's go to my 2-hour chart on the left. Rallied up into resistance, rolled right over. So nothing really major in terms of an exit, or I'm sorry, even an entry to a short on this one. It's just where we're at in the chart, hot coin of the day, but really not much going on with Pepe at the moment. We are kind of breaking this overall uptrend here, although the volume really isn't in a bad spot, so going sideways is fine. And yesterday is a nothing candle, today is a nothing candle, so no triggers or anything, as yesterday closed down. It did close up overall in above the 50% level, it looks like, but all in all, not much to do. And then ICP. ICP actually could be in a shortable position. Is this one already flagged a head and shoulders pattern? This is when we talked about shorting over here back in late April, almost 2 months ago, and handily rolling underneath the neckline right now. So if you were short this yesterday, well, actually would have been a good time to get in short. But again, tough with everything kind of rebounding. But this one could be good for a short, but again, it could also chop you up at the same time. Got about a 9% stop loss to the high of yesterday. You would assume yesterday's high would be a point of resistance, but you never know. Like I said, I think this is a tough trading environment. I don't think you go out and take a bunch of risks right now. I think you let the market show you what it has. I think you let the market show you what it's made of right now, and then you can make better decisions. So, and that's it. And that's all I got, ladies and gentlemen, and that's the best 5 minutes of your day here on Altcoin Buzz Trading.